So today's video, I want to show you guys. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Let me know if you guys can hear me, because I don't know. But got exciting news. Ended up getting a new keyboard, but it's not just a keyboard. It's the Wooting keyboard. You guys know what the Wooting keyboard is? Drop a comment down below. But anyways, the keyboard I've been using for a long time is the Ducky 1-2 Mini, but I've been using the FaZe Clan edition. You see right here. One of my favorite keyboards that FaZe Clan came out. I made it my own touch. It came with these cool little keycaps. I'll show you the sound. You guys know. I think these were the cherry mix keycaps, or yeah, cherry red. So I fell in love with it for a long time. This is the keyboard I've always used, but I'd highly recommend Ducky. But you know what? I've been getting a lot of people in my ear saying, get the Wooting, get the Wooting. It's a good keyboard. I wanted to try it out. So I was able to get Optim's keycaps, but unfortunately I couldn't get the case. Hopefully next time I can get the Optim case, because that case is so amazing. I love the way how Wooting made his case, very slick with the keycaps and everything about the Wooting, and I love the sound. The sound is what sold me. But I'm about to do pretty much a tutorial. I have to build. I got parts to build it. I'm excited. So let's get right into it, and I will just record me building the computer from start to finish, and I'll tell you guys how I like it, and also sound, because I'll show you this one more time. This is a cherry. It's pretty loud. This is a Ducky 1-2 Mini, so the other one's for sure gonna be a little quieter. It's something new to me, and let's see how it is. And I'm definitely probably gonna take this FaZe Clan. Oh, damn! Definitely gonna take this FaZe Clan keycap with me onto the Wooting keyboard for sure. Gotta represent FaZe. Come on now, you guys already know. If you haven't seen already, come on.
Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
All right, guys, got everything put together. As you can see, it came with a nice little strap onto keyboard. This is my build, my lovely build. I added the Face Clan. All preference, I might switch it out back for an all gray, but that's what it looks like. My Wooting has a little tag or a little strap, and I will give you guys a sound test. Here we go. Here it is while it's glowing. Thank you guys for watching. I'm into editing, so I can put all that together for you guys. But I'll put a link down on what video I watched to put it together. It's very easy, straightforward to it. I mean, not that hard. I enjoy building it, so you guys let me know